Every successful career starts with one application. Today, I bring you an opportunity from one of the biggest four companies that could completely change your future career. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. जहाँ पे आपको डेली के जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते हैं, वीकेंड्स पे छुट्टी रहते हैं और इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को मैं हमेशा जल्दी से जल्दी अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे पोस्ट करने की कोशिश करता हूँ ताकि वो जॉब क्लोजिंग होने से पहले आप उस पर अप्लाई कर लें. So today I have bought an exciting off-campus hiring opportunity from EY Global Delivery Services. This hiring is for freshers and engineering graduates who are looking to start their career in software development, testing, data analytics, cyber security, consulting, and many other technological domains. So, EY, also known as Ernst and Young, is one of the world leading professional services companies operating in more than 150 countries. Though EY GDS professionals work on global projects and cutting edge technology while collaborating with international teams. So when we look into the eligibility, so for this hiring drive, the candidate must have BE or BTech degree in IT or computer science or circuit branches. Minimums he or she should have 60% throughout academics. No active backlog should be there, and he or she must be having a basic understanding of Java, Python, .NET, SQL, Oracle, data analytics, and software development cycles. Then domain which will be available for the candidates are uh, digital technologies, testing, then data analytics and AI, then Oracle technology, SAP technology, cyber security, banking and capital market, and etc. Additional advantage is, if you want to get, then if you have completed some internship in software development or testing or a related field, then you must highlight those things in your resume. While applying, you should be make sure that your resume is ATS related, which should be connecting the dots between your resume and the job description which is given by EY. So working at EY gives you exposure to global clients, international projects, and advanced technology with strong learning opportunity, and also you will get an excellent career growth. So for freshers looking for a big four company, so you must be you definitely applying for this job. So if you are eligible, don't wait until the last moment to apply as soon as possible, because opportunity like this you don't get often. So you will be if you will missing this opportunity, like you will be applying after the company closes the acceptance of application, then obviously you will be feeling regret. So for applying, please click here apply. Then you will get this type of interface. You have to just fill the basic informations, and that's it.